Looking for the best USB-C cables? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 USB hubs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Belkin Thunderbolt 3 cable. Pros: especially fast data transfer speeds. Optimized for 4K displays. Compact. Charges quickly. Durable. Dependable. Cons: only available in black. Bottom line: Belkin's 1.6-foot USB-C cable is versatile, made to last, and the perfect fit for cramped desktop spaces. At number 2. Samsung USB-C to USB-C cable. Pros: affordable. Fast data transfer speeds. Reversible USB-C connectors. Charges quickly. Available in white and black. Cons: only available in a single size. Bottom line: Samsung's USB-C cables are dependable, efficient, and especially inexpensive to replace if misplaced. At number 1. Apple Thunderbolt 3 USB-C cable. Pros: optimized for charging, data transfer, and video output with Apple devices. Connect up to 6 devices via daisy chaining. Lightning fast data transfer speeds. Reliable. Cons: a fairly pricey USB-C cable. Bottom line: Apple's official USB-C cable is a must-have for iPhone, iPad, and Mac owners because of its versatility and premium performance. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.